Efficient, practical, convenient. Introducing the Galaxy S7 Edge Wallet S case. Designed to be the perfect on-the-go carrier, it doubles as wallet and phone case so you can travel with ease and in style. The folio wallet case is made of synthetic leather and hard polycarbonate. As you can see, there are 3 card slots for your cards or IDs, an added pocket for extra cash. Easily snap on your phone inside the hard PC. The large button cutouts allow you to easily plug in large size headphones and chargers. The magnetic clip allows you to easily open your case while securely holding your valuables when closed. The card slot has plenty of room to carry your essentials with an additional pocket behind it for cash or receipts. Its sturdy grip won't let your essentials fall out of place. The small indent at the bottom prevents your home button from being pressed or interfered when the case is closed. The large cutout around the camera also has raised bezels so your lens is protected while capturing great quality photo. Now, you can conveniently use your phone and all its features. Want to watch videos on your phone? No problem. Just take the magnetic clip and put it behind your phone like this, and prop up your screen for a hands-free, comfortable view. To remove your case, just push out each corner one at a time to take out your phone. Thanks for watching the Wallet S case for the Galaxy S7 Edge. Move forward with Spigen.